Welcome to the Introduction to Moodle. Today we will run through the basics of using Moodle as a lecture. To open Moodle, visit mu.ac.zm, go to the Students menu and click on E-Learning Portal. Once the page loads, enter your username and password. Once you have entered this, click on the Login button. Once you have logged in, your courses will appear under My Courses. If any of your courses are missing, please visit ICT and make sure that your courses are added. Click on the course you want to manage. This is an example course that we have created for the purposes of showing you how to manage a course. To manage a course and edit its content, you can click on the gear icon on the top of the page. Click on the gear and a menu will pop up. We want to turn on the editing of the course in order to be able to add content and manage the sections in our course. I have already created a number of topics that are part of our course. You can rename these to whatever you want to be. Once you are done editing, press Enter to save the changes. Once you are done creating your topics in the course, you can start adding content to the various topics that you have created as part of your course. Click on the Add an Activity or Resource button. You will be presented with an overview of the various resources that are available on Moodle. You can add assignments, you can add a chat, you can add a choice section, database, external tool, feedback section, even a forum. There are various modules available that you can choose from. Other resources that can be used include files, folders containing multiple files, pages, even URLs to websites. To start, we are going to create a page, which will link to another page where we can add text that will display to the students. Click on Add to add the selected module that you want to add to the section. We are now adding a page to the topic that we selected. I'm going to name this page Introduction to Moodle. We can give the page a description. And we can add content, which you can either copy from Word, a web page, or you can type anywhere you want. In this case, I am not going to type anything. I am just going to go to our website, see where I can copy something from, and I'm going to copy and paste some content there. You are able to copy different links, put your own content, whatever you want it to be. You can use the tools on top to change the markup of the content. You can create links to different web pages if you want through the following tools. You can add images, even video files. For now, we're just going to save this file. Save and return to course. We have now added a page to our topic. Students are able to open this page and view the content that you have added. Under the second topic, I would like to upload some files. We click on Add an activity or resource. Adding files is a useful way for students to access course materials such as modules, PowerPoint presentations, and other materials. Select File and click on Add. Add a topic or a name for the file that you want to upload and give it a description. You can now click on Create Folder or Add File. In this case, we just want to add a file directly, so I'm going to upload a file. You can select local files by dragging them in the field here, or you can click on the Add File button and drag the file in the current window. For me, by clicking Upload a file, you are able to choose the file from your local computer, or you can drag it into the Explorer. Once you have uploaded the file, it will appear under the Select Files section like this. There is no need to change the additional settings. You can just click Save and Return to Course. You have now successfully added a file to your course on Moodle. Students are able to download this file and view it from anywhere they want. This can be a PowerPoint presentation, Word document, or any other file that you can easily share. There is no limitation to the amount of activities or resources you can add to one section. If you wish, you are able to upload multiple files, folders, even different sections under one topic. Let's add another file. This time, I'm going to drag a file. You can drag and drop a file into the file upload, and it will be uploaded to the course directly. Again, click on Save and Return to Course to save changes. We have now added 2 files to our course. So under topic 1, we added a page which students can open directly without having to download it, where you can add an introduction about your course. Under topic 2, I have uploaded 2 different files. We also have an announcement section. This announcement section can be managed by clicking on it. If you want to make an announcement, you can add a new topic by clicking on the button Add New Topic. You can give a subject for the topic. After you are satisfied with your announcement, you can submit it by pressing the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click Post to Forum. As you can see, we have now created a topic on our announcement section. Students are able to reply to your announcement so that you can have feedback on your course. To return to your course, you can either click on the course in your menu, or you can follow the breadcrumb trail on top of the page. We are now back at the course overview page. As you can see, we have our different topics 1 where we added the page, 2 where we added the files, and the third one where I'm going to create a quiz. Again, click on Add an Activity or Resource. This time, click on Quiz in the Add an Activity or Resource window. Click on the Add button. Enter the name for the quiz. You are able to select timing, when you want to open the quiz, when you want to close the quiz. To enable this, press on Enable for the sections that you want to enable. I want to open this quiz starting tomorrow, and I want to close this quiz on the 23rd of March. This gives my students 2 days to complete the quiz. I also want a time limit so that my students only have 15 minutes to finish the quiz. If they do not finish on time, the quiz will submit automatically. We can skip the remaining questions or make further adjustments for advanced users. Click on Save and Return to Course or Save and Display. I'm going to click on Save and Return to Course. We have now created a quiz under our topic, Creating a Quiz. Let me just rename this to Topic 3, Creating a Quiz. This quiz is of course empty. We haven't added any questions to it yet. To add questions, we click on the quiz that we have created, and we click on the button Edit Quiz. Once we edit a quiz, we are able to use the Add button on the top right of the page to make changes. We can click on Add a new question or add a question from the question bank if you have previously created questions. In this case, I'm going to add a new question. We have different types of questions that are available for our users. Multiple choice, true, false, matching, short answer, numerical, etc. Let's create a multiple choice question. Question 1. What is Moodle? Default mark 1 point. We can now create the answers for the different options. By default, they are set to A, B, C, etc. For answer 1, I'm going to say a car. Answer 2, an e-learning platform. Answer 3, answer 4, once you are done creating the questions that you want, you can click on Save Changes or Save Changes and continue editing. In this case, I'm going to click on Save Changes. As you can see, I forgot to enter the grade for each of the answers. Of course, a car, which was choice 1, or A, is not the correct answer. So in this case, we're not going to give any grade for this. So what we can do is leave it to none. However, one of the choices should be 100%. So the correct answer for your question should be marked with 100%. So do not mark a grade for an incorrect answer. However, if you have an answer which is maybe 50% correct, you are able to set this using the dialog here. Once you are done with this, you can now save the changes. As you can see, my question has been added to the quiz. We can add as many questions as we want. Let us add another question. I'm going to add a true or false question. Question name for the true or false question is Moodle online. We'll continue by creating the answers for the true and the false section. If you have selected true, which is of course the correct answer, we can even give feedback. For the incorrect answer, we can also add a response. We can select the correct answer between true and false and save the changes. We have now added 2 questions. Maximum grade, because we have only added 2 questions, will have to be adjusted because the total marks are only 2. If you are adding fewer questions than 10, you can reduce this number. As you can see, I have updated it by clicking the Save button. We can go back to our course by clicking on the breadcrumb or the menu item over here. We now have set announcements, we have a page that we created, we added files to our topic, and created an introductory quiz on what Moodle is. Next, we will create an assignment. Let's call this topic 4. Click on Add an activity or resource. Click on Assignment and click on Add to add the assignment. Give the assignment a name. Give a description for your assignment. You can upload a file with your complete assignment. I will upload a Word file containing the assignment. Under Availability, we can set when we want to allow students to submit. Let's say from the 20th up to the 27th of March. I will automatically be reminded to grade by the 3rd of April if I haven't already done so. You can select the types of submissions that are accepted. In this case, I will only accept students to upload files. Maximum count of files should be 20 per student. You do not need to change these settings by default. All remaining settings are optional. Click on Save and return to course. This is how simple it was to add an assignment. As you can see, the assignment is now visible. To see how your course will appear as a student, go to the top of the page and click on the arrow next to your profile. You will be able to switch role to student, allowing you to view how your course appears as a student. As you can see, we have an announcements button where students can view announcements. We have created topic 1, Introduction to Moodle, where we've added a page. When we click on this page, you will see the content that we have added to this page. When we go back to our course, we can go to topic 2. Here we have created 2 files. presentation on Moodle. When we open this file, we will get the PDF that we have uploaded there, so students can view these files easily through Moodle. Topic 3, creating a quiz. Introduction quiz. Let's click on it. As you can see, the quiz is currently not available because we set the date to be tomorrow. However, if it was open, students can easily run through the quiz and be marked automatically. Finally, we have our assignment. Let's click on our assignment. Students are able to download the file for the assignment and finally add a submission for their assignment. Allowing you to mark this assignment online will be discussed in the second video. These are the basic steps of creating a course in Moodle, or rather filling a course with content in Moodle. We've created a page, we've added files, we've created a quiz, and added an assignment. In the second video, we will go into adding further sections and activities to your course. To log out of Moodle, click the Logout button on the top of the page. Thank you for your attention.